Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create an playable ostrich character. This is a request from our one of viewer, so I will start creating this playable ostrich. To do that, first I'll go to blueprint class. It's under character blueprint, so I'll create this as pp ostrich playable, and here I'll add ostrich mesh to here and correct the rotations to align with our capsule, and correct the locations also, and add this ostrich animation blueprint to here, and then we have to add then this spring arm not to the mesh. It should be attached to capsule component, and rotation should be 0, and let's move a bit higher like this, and the target arm length should be like 500. And here let's add the camera and make all values as 0, and then in here, so let's check we have some inputs in our project settings. Our player use inputs, yeah, it use this enhanced input action IA move, so I will reuse it also. Enhance input move IA move, so like our play character, let's use this x value as our right vector and y value as a forward vector. So let's add movement input, get control rotation, and get right vector from here, and let's break this link and split both and connect roll and EO values as here, and connect it to world direction, and this is right vector, so we should connect this x value as this scale value, and let's create another add movement input for our forward values, and then let's duplicate this, not duplicate, sorry, let's get control rotation. This control rotation returns our camera's rotation. It will rotates with our mouse movement, so it will return current camera rotation. And then let's get forward vector, and it use your value only. So let's write this link and split, and then connect this your value and connect this to a direction, and let's use this y value and reroute node to here, and reroute node to here, and use this scale value, and as our camera input it use in IA look. This is for movements. Let's see, IA look, and it use as to control your input and pitch input, x value for your input and y value for pitch input. So add your value to here and pitch value to here. This is for mouse, and then in our capsule, so we need to find this, use controller rotation neo. In here spring arm, let's search rotation, and it use burn control rotation, and here rotation. So we should use this control orient rotation to movement, and let's place this ostrich to here and process it as player. Let's see what is working on. So it don't use control rotation. So in here I will disconnect this, in the spring arm. I think we don't have our movements. Okay guys, so the reason that we cannot use our inputs, we have to get this enhanced local input player subsystem as this. So get controller, cast to player controller, let's use them in our Ostrich character, and let's get controller and then cast to player controller, and then in here use this enhanced input local player, get enhanced input local player subsystem, and then checks it's valid or not. It's valid. If it is valid, so add mapping context. Mapping context should be IMC default. Let's search it. Yeah, we have this IMC default. Let's check these controllers are working or not. what is the settings this play controller using? Orient rotation to move. Use pawn control rotation. That is the, yeah, let's see. Yeah, now we can look around and play. Yeah, it's working fine. And let's set slow movement and speed movement like sprinting. So let's go to this IMC default. Let's add the mapping. So let's create the map. Input action IA sprinting in here, value type like short. Let's check what others are using. Axis vector 2D. Let's use this also. And sprinting key should be shift. I think let's return as float 1D, and then let's check our sprint is working now. Let's go to our Ostrich character and get IA sprint. I think this is an axis value, so how should I change it to an action? Okay guys, so I can make it as action mapping by changing this to digital bool. So we have this triggered and completed. Let's print it. Hello. Let's check it's started. Yeah, this is the node I can have started, and when completed, let's print again. So when I'm pressing it, return print hello, and when I release it returns completed. So I should change this walk speed to 180. It's walking speed. So when I'm pressing this sprinting button, so it should change this max walk speed, not get, set max walk speed to 600, and when release, set max walk speed to 180. Let's see. Yeah, now he is walking. When I'm pressing the shift key, he starts running. When I releasing, he is walking. Okay guys, this is it for today video, and thank you all for watching. Bye.